What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add a queue of songs in the SoundCloud app. Now this is something that a lot of people don't know about, and I haven't seen it advertised at all on SoundCloud's end, and it's kind of a little bit of a confusing process and it's not exactly straightforward, which is why a lot of people, probably why you're watching this video right now actually. So I'm on my SoundCloud here. I'm just going to choose a random song here, a solid song if you're into rap. Go ahead and look that one up. And then I'm going to find a second song here. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit the three little dots there in the bottom right hand corner of the song. I'm sure you've done this before. I'm sure you've seen this menu. But what you may not have noticed is that 4 options down, there is an Add Next Up button. And what this is going to do is add this song to your queue. So you can see this current song that's running right now as I go ahead and skip this song and move on to the next one. Unfortunately, there's an advertisement right now that you guys are going to have to sit through. But you can see in the bottom left hand corner, and you will see once these 2 advertisements are done, that song that I just queued up through the Add Next button is going to be the next song.
Licensed installers for the big jobs.
With
The Home Depot has the quality products and services to help with your move. Wherever you're going, we'll help you get there. The Home Depot.
The only
a doer to
unfortunate
get more
part about
done.
this is
For
you
license
can't edit
information,
it
visit
or anything. So if you have a song you want to play instantly or move to the top of the
this
queue,
is Discover,
it doesn't have
and we
the
take customer
exact
service
functions
very
like
seriously.
a lot of other music
We know
apps
that if you
do,
have a
but
question
you
or
can get
concern
through
about
it.
your
It is
credit
free
card,
app
that's a
after
serious
all.
matter,
So you could just
and you need to
enjoy
talk
the
to a
service
real person
and
about
enjoy
it.
this last
So we
service
offer
that I'm showing
around-the-clock
you as
access
well.
to seriously
If
talented
you did have any
representatives in the
questions or were
USA.
confused or it's
Again,
not working
it's
for
a
whatever
serious
reason,
endeavor.
comment
The
down
only
below
funny
and
thing
I'll
about
get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And real quickly before I go, here is the song that I just queued up, and it just came after that advertisement. Anyway, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you next time.